Even after tomato plants have been planted, you can still take several actions to ensure a great harvest. Follow these steps to care for your tomato plants and maximize their productivity. 1. Watering. Provide consistent and adequate watering for your tomato plants. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plants, preferably in the morning, to reduce the risk of foliar diseases. Avoid overhead watering, which can splash soil onto the leaves and spread diseases. 2. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or compost, around the base of your tomato plants. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weed growth, which can compete with your tomato plants for nutrients. 3. Fertilization. Feed your tomato plants with a balanced fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus. This will encourage flowering and fruiting. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging to avoid over-fertilization, which can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. 4. Pruning. Regularly inspect your tomato plants for suckers, which are new shoots that grow in the crotches between the main stem and branches. Removing suckers diverts energy to the main stem and existing branches, encouraging larger and healthier fruit production. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts. 5. Support. Ensure your tomato plants have proper support to keep them upright and prevent sprawling. Use cages, stakes, or trellises to support the plants as they grow. Supporting the plants helps improve air circulation and reduces the risk of fruit rot. 6. Pollination. Tomatoes are self-pollinating, but you can aid in the process by gently shaking the plants or tapping the flowers. This helps release pollen and ensures a better fruit set. If you notice poor fruit development, consider manually pollinating the flowers using a small brush. 7. Pest and Disease Management. Regularly inspect your tomato plants for signs of pests or diseases. If you notice any issues, take appropriate action immediately. Remove and dispose of affected leaves or fruits to prevent the spread of diseases. Consider using organic pest control methods to manage any pest problems. 8. Temperature and sunlight. Monitor the temperature and sunlight conditions in your garden. Tomatoes thrive in warm temperatures and full sun. Ensure your plants receive at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If your region experiences extreme heat, consider providing shade during the hottest part of the day to protect your plants. 9. Harvesting. Harvest ripe tomatoes promptly to encourage continued fruit production. Gently twist or cut the fruit from the vine when they are fully ripe. Leaving overripe or rotting tomatoes on the plant can attract pests and reduce overall yield. By implementing these actions and maintaining proper care for your tomato plants, you can increase the chances of a bountiful and delicious tomato harvest. Stay attentive to your plant's needs and adjust your care accordingly, and you'll be rewarded with a satisfying crop of homegrown tomatoes.